Happy New Year to all my subscribers and viewers. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you some moments spent on New Year and the next day, that was my birthday. So on New Year I made kapsa for lunch. We had my brother-in-law Rajiv and our neighbor Haridas to accompany us for the New Year lunch. And then we decided to go out for an outing in Sitra Mall so that we could take some videos and some photos of New Year evening. So sharing all those moments with you all. I hope you all will like it. Keep watching. My brother-in-law actually didn't accompany us for the outing because he had some work. So that's why we four, that is me, my husband, my son and Haridas, we four decided to go out.
Cita, Cita, Dati po ano?
My son was really excited to go out because last time when we went out on Christmas, we went to Lulu and he couldn't play much over there because there were things around, so he might go and pick up some things and break it. So that's why we couldn't let him run here and there. But now where we are going, that is to Sitra Mall, it's a very less crowded mall and there are very less shops there. And the main part of going there was there is a place opposite Sitra Mall which is a walkthrough where we can let him walk, run and play around for some time. And it's really a good place to be at night because it's really windy and we can see the Sitra Bridge from there. It is a very good view from there. I just found out in Wikipedia that this is the only mall in Bahrain that has a waterfront view. We took some photos and videos over there and then we went to the walkthrough. Before this COVID situations, me and my husband had decided to come here on all Fridays so that my son could run around and play around. Because of the situation, we couldn't come here and would have come just once or twice before this COVID situation had started. So on my right side is the Tubli Bay, which is the waterfront view of the Sitra Mall, and on my left side is the Sitra Mall. This place is not at all crowded and it is very safe during this situation to come here and spend some time over here. My son was so excited that he didn't stop running for about so much time. He was continuously running and my husband and Haridas was really tired running after him. He was so excited to go there because he could at last run, play around freely. After spending about an hour over here, like running and playing around after my son, we decided to go to the mall. And when we crossed the road, my son wanted to play over there also. So he started running over there, and then after some time only, we went to the mall. Now we are entering the Citra Mall. You can see from here itself that it is not at all crowded, and just to spend some time, this is a good place. One more thing that I wanted to share with you all is it's a memory that when I came to Bahrain, this was the first place I visited. So yes, it is a good memory for me. But at that time, this mall was not like this. It was a little bit more crowded, and there were many shops also over here. Now, maybe because of this situation, this COVID situations, many shops were closed, and there were very less people over here. Very less. This is the food court that is available in the first floor of Citra Mall. It used to be filled actually before this situation, mainly because there was a fun area for kids over there, and there were many stalls over here, many food stalls over here. But now only I think McDonald's and KFC is only available. The others have been shut. There was a shop over here which also used to provide Indian snacks like samosas and chaats. I had from here once or twice. I really used to love it, but now it's closed. And this is the fun area that used to be open. There were many playing items inside this area, and also some vehicles like this for kids which they can drive over here in this food court, but now it's all stopped. We decided to buy KFC for takeaway. My brother-in-law will also accompany us for dinner at our apartment, so we decided to take away from KFC. So dinner on New Year is from KFC. This mall is so beautiful. It has a lot of constructions that looks really beautiful. The only supermarket that is available in this mall is Al Heli supermarket. It is a very good supermarket, and it has got lots of offers for New Year. So we just went around and bought some items from this supermarket. After doing some shopping over here, we went back. Now the next day, my birthday. This is a birthday cake that my husband bought, and this is Nutella chocolate cake. It was very tasty. My son wanted to have the cake from the time he saw this. He didn't have patience at all. Now I'm going to share with you the birthday gifts that I got from my husband. I got a watch, a wristwatch, and a handbag. So sharing those with you. I wanted to share these special moments of my life with you all because you are also my family. So, without you all, my channel wouldn't have reached so far. So, thanks for all your support and thank you for all your wishes. I also wanted to thank my husband for making my birthday so special. Thanks a lot. You made me feel very, very special. Hope you all liked today's video. Thanks for watching and take care and bye bye till we meet again.